Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to teach you another line dance. Let me tell you right quick before I forget it, it's called a Grazin in the Grass. Y'all old school line dance music is coming back. Great music. Um, Let me give a shout out to each and every person that watched this video. First of all, I appreciate you watching the video, but not only do you watch the video, you leave me a comment. I can tell you I appreciate that so much. It motivates me, it encourages me, and lets me know I'm on the right track. So thank you so very kindly. I try to, because there's more and more comments now, so I'm gonna always give you a thumbs up or something. I'm going to click on it, let you know that I did see your comments. So thank you so very much. If you're watching this channel for the first time and you like the content, make sure you subscribe. Also, if you are located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. And this is the instructional. If you want to dance along, let's dance together, especially at lunchtime. Because remember, we saving money. We're not going out to eat. No, we're not. We're bringing our lunch. And then lunchtime, we're dancing. Okay? And then the last 15 minutes, we go eat our lunch, then we go back to work. Okay? That's what we're doing. We're saving money. So, watch till the end and we can dance together. So guys, let me give you the step-by-step instructions for this. This dance is going to move clockwise, okay? Clockwise. So the turn will be to the right. So we're going to start with just a regular cha-cha. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, up, 3, 4, left, 5, then 6, turn, 7, 8. So I made a quarter turn to my right on 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, left, right, back, left, turn, right, left. Now I'm going to go back up again on that right. Right, left, pause. Pause on that left. 5. So it looks like you're going to do another cha-cha up. You're not. You're going to pause on that left, on that left. Right, left, pause. Temptation, 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 temptation. Okay? So when you pause on that left, pause, you go right, left. So you slow that tempo down, okay? 5, 6, from the top. Right, left, rock, left, right, left, quarter, right, left, pause, left, step right, and left. See how I'm moving forward? That temptation is what we're going to call it. It's going to move you forward. We're going to add on, we're going to do a right feet step and a left feet step. Right, tap, left, tap. Okay? Now, let's start from the top. 5, 6, 7 with a cha-cha. 1 and 2, up, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Cha-cha. 1 and 2, pause, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, V-step. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I added on a roll right and a roll left. Okay? That's the dance pretty much. Now, I'm going to predict that it is a 4-wall dance moving clockwise. That's 32 counts. Let's get our counts together, okay? You're helping me count. We're learning how to count. When I started counting, I always counted music because I was a certified aerobic instructor. And in order to be certified, you always had to listen to the music. You always had to count, okay? So I had to teach myself to do that. So I do it now. So I'm teaching you how to count, okay? So be patient with yourself. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, pause, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I can't count it 8 counts, 8 beats, 4 times. And then you start the dance over. So that means it's a 32 count. It's a 4-wall dance that move clockwise. This is a beginner dance, so there's no tags, no bridges, no changes, okay? So from here, I will start it over again with the cha-cha. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, turn 7, 8. 1 and 2, pause 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. B-step. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now, let's I would like to do something. Go back to this wall. I want to concentrate on that pause on the left, because I think it's like 2 counts, okay? So you go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Pause 3, 4. So you pause on 3 and 4. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Okay? So you pause 3, 3, 4. And then go into the temptation, okay? So let's do it from this wall again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Pause 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you actually pause it, okay? And pause. And pause. 1, 2, and then go, you move, okay? Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. B-step. 5, 6, 7. B-step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? As grazing in the grass. That's 4-wall dance moving clockwise. Okay? Perfect for beginners. Instructor, you can easily call it out. Make sure you count it. Let me know how you did. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.